Vyhrané vazování v útočném pásmu, Galvas má puk na modré čáře. Nakonec si vybral od stylu a je to gól, Česko vede 1-0. Tomáš Galvas pravděpodobně stečí Miroslava Holinky. Otevírá účet tohoto zápasu, čas 4:46.
Tak pokud jsme v té první situaci viděli, jak Galvas šel do toho backhandu, tak teď sledujte, jak si celou dobu nechal puk ve forehandu. Nejen v jízdě vzad, ale i v jízdě vpřed. Skvěle pracoval tak, aby viděl, co se děje před bránou. On byl hráčem, který zařídil tenhle gól, protože nakonec ten puk poslal, takže se dal skvěle tečovat. Holinka byl před bránou, sáhl Čepelí hole po tom kotouči, ale celé to bylo o Galvasovi. Ten jeho tanec na modré čáře byl úspěšný, skvěle udělaný a tady vidíme tu teč, která šla na druhou.
Fights off his check and he'll fire it in. Gravel try to steer it down to the corner. In comes Granberg. 5 minutes gone, first period. Good pace to this action. Vuciniski took the big body check to work it up that right side. Peter Sikora comes in with numbers. Sikora trying to work it across. That drive stop. Galvas the follow-up as he brings it around the net. Good look, Thomas Galvas there. Holinka, high wrister, in and out of Tallinn. Tosh battling forward to the corner. As they've allowed 5 power play goals. Check in controls. Here's Galvas. Holinka. Back to Galvas. Edward Jala, the captain, far circle. Down low.
I really like that play because you have Holinka, who's a right shot coming back across into the front of the net. Work that down low below the goal line and across. Nice attempt.
Holinka centering feet, he threw it on net. That deflect stays in. Why not? Gave it a try and Tallinn from below the goal line. Machaliski. Edward Jala. Up for Galvas. Galvas. Pass across and Holinka spins away. Back to Galvas. Galvas. Jala. And shoots. Father, long-time NHLer, defenseman. He won a bronze at the Olympics for his country, a gold at the men's worlds, and now his son on the international stage trying to win a gold medal. Here's Galvas. He'll zip it across. Wojtek court shot. Hit Hradec. He'll go into the corner. Watched by Lindstein. Lindstein checks Wojtek Hradec. Sikora takes it free. Sikora. Vuciniski. Shot blocked. In the corner, Lindstein swats at it. Tries again to chip that free. From a knee, Stanchel accepts the pass. Stanchel. Little flip up for Galvas. Galvas. Space, skates it in. Galvas round the net. Still possesses the puck. Galvas. Vuciniski. Little bit of space. He'll walk it in. Stops in the corner. Sweden keeping him to the outside. That drive tested off the side of the bar. Sikora.
Right off of a face-off win, and another example of it, they move it one side and then right back the other side, and Shala walks right into it. Tallinn has to be very sharp. Nice play by Vuciniski.
And then now in Nashville, the Askarov deal. There's a kick. Shala pushing Sandy Pelican. Edward Shala brings it high, drops it off. Wrist shot, handle to lead. Follow-up try, slashing. Was Yak. Craig, their last game, Sweden versus Switzerland, they won 7-5. It was a little bit sloppy. There is nothing sloppy about this performance thus far.
I would add one thing. The third period was sloppy. They let it get away with some really undisciplined penalties. Another penalty coming up to check.